Stay hopeful. You never know what this day may bring. Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English grammar class. Today, we are going to take up our new lesson, that is lesson number 14, picture composition. Children, let us see what is a picture composition. Children, a picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a composition, having meaningful sentences. Children, let us see steps to write a picture composition. Children, to write picture composition, we should carefully observe the picture. Observe the things or actions you can see. Note down your observations as points in a logical order. Imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. Select a suitable title based on imaginary theme you have made for the picture. Then, write the title at the top of the paragraph as a heading. Now children, let us take an example. There is a picture on the top left corner of the screen. Let us try to write a picture composition based on this picture. Children, just look at the picture. What is the first thing comes in your mind? It is a sunrise. Yes. So we can give it a heading like a beautiful sunrise. Then begin the paragraph a little away from the margin. Write all the sentences in the paragraph following a logical sequence or order. Do not write individual sentences. Try to incorporate all your observations in the paragraph. Always remember to frame the sentences in present tense. Remember, keen observation is the key to write a picture composition. Now children, let us see this picture. Observe the things and the activities which are going on. Now children, let us note down our observations. Like first, theme. What is a theme? The picture is about a picnic. Okay, so we'll write the theme picnic. Then we can see two trees over there, few plants, green grass, 8 little children, a chef and a boy watching the chef. We can see a mat also, then basket, a jug, plate and glass. Then we can see clouds and a boy hiding in the plants. Now children, let us form a composition based on our observation. Let us start. So first of all, we'll write the title of the composition, that is picnic. And let us start forming the sentences. Children are out for a picnic. It is a beautiful place. There are 2 coconut trees and a few plants. Lush green grass is all around. There are 7 children enjoying themselves and one is hiding somewhere. There is a chef cooking for them and a boy is learning how to cook. They have put a big tent for themselves. A mat is spread out with a basket, glass, plate and a jug on it. Clouds are also there in the sky. Children are eagerly waiting to eat. One boy is hiding behind the plants. I think the children are having a lovely time. So children, this is the way to write a picture composition. Hope children you have understood picture composition. Thank you. Have a great day.